Look at Tom. She has come over here from that place. She was eating there, and Ryan is getting scared of him because Ryan knows her very well, and that's why Ryan is, taking place. Hey, Tom. Ryan is actually hiding over here. Oh, look at that, Ryan. Oh my God, my baby. Okay, Ryan, I'll be always here with you, for you. Don't worry. Look at Ryan. He's hiding himself. It's okay, Ryan. Nothing will happen. I'll protect you. Rawat! 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 Rawat is that side. And look at this place. It's been last 2 to 3 days. It's been raining a lot continuously at day and night. So that's why this condition of the this place is like this. Water, clay, muds, each and everywhere. Look at that. Hey, Tom. Look at Tom. Actually, Robert has hid some food over there on that place, and Tom is trying to find it out. Tom, don't do that. I'll give you food. Come on, honey. It's Robert's food over there. You can't find it out, and you can't eat that. Come on. Tom, come honey, I'll give some more food. Okay. Seriously. And Tina is standing over there. I don't know what's wrong with her. She is maybe protecting to each and everyone. And Paul is also standing there that side, as you can see. I given food to each and everyone. They have eaten, and I'll give some more food to them. Ryan, did you finish the food, honey? Ryan is scared of Tom, as Tom is over here. Tom, don't. Ryan is going that side because of Tom. He doesn't want to be over here. Robert and Ryan, come on. Okay, I'll give them some more food to Robert and Ryan. Come, honey, come. Ryan? Ryan is actually focusing on Tom. Okay. Ryan, don't be scared. I'm with you. I'm here with you, right? Okay, eat, honey. Eat. Hey, oh my God. Oh my God, the food bag has fallen down. Have it. It's okay, have it. Have it, honey. Have it. Eat that food. And you also, Tom, take this one. Okay, good girl. Have it, Ryan. And Tina, what's wrong with her? I don't know. Look at Robert, he has eaten a lot of chicken and the tummy is flappy. What happened? Tina? I don't know, Tina is making sound. Kind of weird sound. Okay, Robert, eat some more. Eat some more, honey. Okay, good boy. Ryan is also eating. Eat, Robert. Finish it. Actually, Robert has eaten a lot of. I think he's going to hide that food. Yeah, he's going to hide. look at this place, you know, the cloud. I think today also it will rain a lot. Everywhere it's cloud. Okay, and this is government hospital, as you know. Already I have shown and I have told you each and every time. I mean, so many times. There's the total view of this place where they live. You want some more, Ryan? Ryan is waiting for getting some more food. Okay, have it, honey. Okay, listen over here. Eat. Tina, come down. And that is medical college actually over here. That's the new built building. The building has been built newly. The medical college building. I wish if I could study medical, you know, MBBS in a medical college, but that's just a dream. Okay, Ryan, eat, honey. Ryan has also eaten a lot. Look at the tummy. My baby boy, my baby boy. Where is Robert? Robert is hiding food. He's hiding a lot of. It's okay. Okay, what happened? Look, Tom is coming, and that's why Tina is protecting. And also Ryan also started shouting. It's okay, Ryan. Nothing will happen. Ryan is very concerned and scared. You know. It's okay. Nobody fight. Tom will say nothing to Ryan. Why did you look at him? He just already hide the food. Robert, you shouldn't do this kind of things, honey. He's hiding food. Look at the mud in his face. All right, I need to stop the live. I need to stop the video over here, and please keep them in your prayers. Also, try to help them for the food by donating something. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good night.